In this short video, we'll be discussing cause and effect essays. So as you already know, cause is something that makes something else happen. It's the reason for something happening. And the effect is what happened or the result of something happening. So there are basically two types of cause and effect essays. We can write an essay that focuses on causes, and we can write an essay that focuses on effects. So the parts of a cause and effect essay are, we start with an introduction paragraph, a body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and a conclusion paragraph. So this is the basic cause and effect essay. So if we focus our essay on causes, we'll start with the introduction paragraph, which of course introduces the topic. It may discuss the effects of something. And then body paragraph 1 discusses the first cause. Body paragraph 2 will discuss the second cause. And then we'll have a conclusion paragraph that summarizes the main points and adds a final thought. If we write an essay that's focused on effects, we start with the introduction again, but this time we can introduce the topic. Well, we introduce the topic, of course, and we can talk about the causes in the introduction and the background information. And we'll have a body paragraph next that discusses the first effect, and a second body paragraph that discusses the second effect, and a conclusion which will summarize the main points and add a final thought.